Tray tables were designed decades ago and no longer accommodate today's travel needs. By using your tray table in its vertical and locked position as an anchor rather than horizontally as a platform, the Airhook holds your beverage and electronics device while still allowing you to move around and sit comfortably. To install, simply unlock your tray table and place the Airhook's anchor over the top of it, then close and lock your tray table. To accommodate a larger variety of seats, the Airhook's support angle is fully adjustable. Lock in place by turning the Airhook's knob. Once the Airhook is anchored into place, use the adjustable bungee to hold your phone or tablet up to 8.5 inches tall. With your device set, enjoy a better viewing posture by watching your device at eye level. The Airhook supports airline cups and larger beverages up to 16 ounces. Can and bottle support attachment included too. When the person in front of you reclines, or to adjust your Airhook angle, simply loosen the Airhook's knob, reset, and retighten. Traveling with children, the Airhook is the perfect way to provide hands-free entertainment for your little ones. Everyone can now enjoy more knee space while avoiding the #1 germ catcher on the plane, the tray table surface. Purchase your Airhook today from our online store and join the thousands of passengers experiencing the Airhook seat comfort revolution.